G'day folks, got the old fridge home, Servex model 99. Don't really know how old it is yet, but I'll figure something out. Very solid thing, it weighs a ton. Enamelled steel. I've given it a quick clean while the refrigerant and oil settle in the compressor. I had to transport it on its side. It's a bit dirty still, but I don't want to get too carried away if it's buggered. But of course I'll troubleshoot it and see if it's not the thermo or anything if it doesn't run. Even a little butter compartment with temperature control. It's pretty good. Had a few hours to settle, so I'm just about to fire it up. I noticed they mark on the back of it in pencil before they actually do the stamp, and obviously that's the paint type, satin, and that's the model number SAC 10770, and there's a T there for something, and it's stamped on the plate. This whole refrigeration unit is made by Kirby, New South Wales. It's like a filter dryer or something on the liquid out to the capillary tube. I've opened the relay up and that seems nice and clean actually. Just got to get in there and clean all that crap out, that's nasty. I might actually jack the whole thing up and just try and lower the bottom down a bit without busting any pipes. I'll get the electronics out and just blast it with the pressure cleaner and give everything a coat of flat black. Make it look like new again. Let's see if this thing will fire up or blow up. One of the two. Oh, that or it just won't work. That sounds pretty good. Quiet too. Oh, it's discharge. That's discharge. There's a bit of heat coming out of it. Just have to let it run for a while. Clatters and funny noises. It doesn't sound healthy. It doesn't sound healthy at all. It sounds like a loose con rod or something. It is running though. There's high temperature gas coming out. There's a capillary tube, no it's a thermostat. Yeah, I can hear it hissing. Just let it run for a while, it sounds promising. Oh yeah, that's cool. Minus 4.1. This thing must be iced over. Oh, look at that. That is very good. Very good. Yeah, I've got to get this thing back together again and get some new seals for the door. This is too good. I don't know how that works. Might be a little heating element or something. Keep it warm. That is nice. A lot of heat coming off the condenser. Compressor's quietened down too. It's settled in. Too good.